Hey folks, this is Sam Jackson with Heartland Turf and Landscape. We got a beautiful day here to start our March off. I think it's going to be in the upper 60s and sunny, and I love it. But we got our first couple deliveries of mulch of the season. We actually, during the off season this year, partnered with a regional mulch supplier and we partnered with them to come up with our own special blend that they're making just for us. We think it's going to be a really product that's really superior to like most of the other mulches you're going to find available in your home and garden centers and so forth. It's 100% hardwood mulch. It's mostly red and white oak, so it's a nice hardwood, and it's a chip mulch. It's actually comes straight from lumber mills throughout the Missouri region. And I'll turn the camera around here. As you can see, it's a nice large chip. A lot of places they will actually they'll take this exact same product, but before they dye it and sell it to the public, they actually run it through a grinder, and they'll grind it up even finer than this. If you can see here, these are nice large chips, so they're going to stay in place. They don't decompose nearly as fast. It's going to hold its color a lot longer. Your beds are going to be looking a lot better for a lot longer with this mulch that we have. And as you can see, this is just the tip of the iceberg. We've got a whole bunch of it ready to go down here in the next several days, and there'll be more to come. A couple great things about doing a fresh top dressing of mulch on all your flower beds and ornamental areas at the beginning of the spring. You're gonna really make those beds pop, especially when you get them cleaned up and everything starts blooming. But not only that, it's going to help suppress weeds in those beds to help keep those beds looking cleaner and fresher longer. And overall, it's really just going to make your property look beautiful. So anyway, I'm excited about this. That's my little tip for the day. Start thinking about getting those beds nice and cleaned up and ready for spring, because spring's coming, finally.